Alright, so we've got two Hayward Navigators here. These are pool cleaning robots, and I just got this from Craigslist from a neighbor here in Florida. And I could tell just by looking at this unit right here, you see these posts that hold the wings in is kind of, well, the platter, the foot paddles, I guess, that holds the wings in is so eroded that, you know, I can't keep this flap in. But I don't think that's why it's not working. He said that he had this serviced, and after it was serviced, it worked for a couple of days, and then it stopped working again. So we're going to take it apart to see what the issues may be. All right. Oh, and we've got an alternate unit here. This is also the same lineup. And so if anything, we'll probably try and kind of cobble the functioning parts together to see if we can resurrect one of them at least. Let's see. So it looks like it's working. All the gears and the mechanical components are all working as they should, but I suppose the fluid dynamic aspect of this, because this is there's so much space here, maybe the water that's being sucked from underneath is keeping the feet from functioning properly. So what we're going to do is we're going to just take out all the screws and take out this bottom mobility platter to see if we can maybe find the problem. So we're going to replace this system with this one and see if that will fix the problem. You can probably tell the bearings in this one is not as smooth as this other one, so we're going to do a swap. All right, let's go test it out. All right, don't mind the water. We have a little bit of a mustard algae infestation here, but it's not good. So when I connected the hose, it appears getting a lot of suction loss through the Navigator. So I suspect maybe one of the internal components is messed up. But it's sort of working, albeit not very well. Alright, so it appears the regulation valve wasn't installed when I opened this Hayward, and so I'm just going to put it back in. What this does is it regulates the amount of water that's kind of going through the turbine to kind of regulate the turning mechanism. So I'm hoping that this will fix the issue. So I have to take apart the whole thing to get it pretty nice. Let's see if it fits. Alright. Down once more back into the abyss. I'm not even going to put the cap on top because that was a bit of a pain to remove. Alright, so we cleaned up the filter a little bit, both the leaf filter and the fine grain filter, and it appears to be helping. The sun is not the brightest right now, and this is solar powered, so, but yeah, I think it's fixed. So we're going to let it run for a couple weeks and see how it holds up. Thanks for watching.